All right, hey, what's up, dudes? Good to see you guys again. Back for another video. I'm kind of running out of streaming like one-on-one stuff to like tell you guys about. So like the more feedback you guys give me, the better, and the more I can come up with stuff to do. So, however, today is not so much streaming one-on-one as it is more a little bit of streaming advice that I have for you guys. This video isn't for everybody. If you're new to casting, if you're a veteran for being a caster, if you're a viewer, a gamer, whatever, this is a little bit of tips for you from me. Again, I don't know anything. You guys keep watching these videos, cool. But don't take my word as like the effing Bible, you know what I mean? Like I don't have like the guide for everybody, you know what I mean? I kind of just giving you my own experience from being a caster since I started back in 2015. So I'm just here to give you guys my own advice to help you out potentially. So what I wanted to start out with is basically I wanted to talk about some beef I have with streaming in general and some other things that go into streaming. I haven't had this in a while, but an issue that can come up is when you play with other casters or you play with other people, your friends and whatnot on stream, just be cautious of that. I'm mainly talking about the people in your Discord or in your TeamSpeak or wherever they're talking to you. Just be mindful as that person to not do things you shouldn't be doing. If I'm a friend and I'm hanging out with a guy who's broadcasting or a girl who's broadcasting on Twitch or whatever, Mix or YouTube, it doesn't matter. If I know that they're casting, I'm definitely going to be set to push to talk. I mean, I've always used push to talk on my Discord and in my own streams and stuff. Viewers that play with casters should never have it on just like microphone always on. I don't need to hear people messing with the things on their desk while, you know, they're chilling. They're just like, you know, like, stop it. But we as casters don't want to hear your stupid stuff. Okay, I don't need to hear your brother yelling at you or you playing with a fucking slinky or whatever, dude. I don't need to hear that stuff. I don't need to hear when you crack open a bottle of something. Like, you have to realize that affects someone else's channel. When you're putting in your content, in a sense, into someone else's Discord and that person is live, you are forcing content on them that like they might not want. I say content meaning it could just be anything. It could be bad content or good content. You never know. But be mindful of the people you're playing with and don't overstep yourself unless you know that it's cool. Sometimes it's cool, you know, maybe you're doing a drinking stream and then things kind of just work out. But I just want to get you guys, you know, in the know of like when you're playing with another person, be mindful. I don't want to hear a friend of mine on my Discord while we're gaming just all of a sudden come in and just you know, like I don't want to hear you yawn, dude. Not only does that make everyone and everything seem like, oh, is this boring? Shit, am I tired? Oh yeah. Like, stop it. Stop. Like, oh my God, there have been times where that happens and bro, it drives me insane. And so like, I usually have my hand on the mute button for Discord. If I start to hear stuff that I don't want to hear, I have to mute Discord. And so I've done this to the point where sometimes I forget to unmute and I'm sitting here just like, why is no one talking now all of a sudden? But it turns out that I muted them because it's something that they were doing. I never unmuted. So, I mean, that's their fault, not my fault. I mean, sure, I hit the mute button, but you know, whatever, dude, maybe just don't make that sound. You know what I mean? All right, my next beef or thing or advice or whatnot is with tweeting, hashtags and adding something, adding someone, adding whatever, hashtag something. Be mindful that if you put too many into one tweet, there's like analytics out there that basically after like 2 hashtags and like 1 like it doesn't go everywhere that you think it's going. You're not hitting all this market that you think you're hitting. And not only that, but it's making your tweet look desperate. When I see tweets and it just says like hashtag streamer, hashtag Twitch, hashtag broadcaster, hashtag little streamer, hashtag support small streamers, at Tim the Tatman, at Lyric, at Dr. Disrespect, at Activator, at Namco, at PlayStation, hashtag keyboards, hashtag Fortnite, you know, like the more you add to a tweet, it doesn't help. Get in the idea of only having certain things. You don't want to just always have just like a million things going on. Let's say you do at somebody, right? Let's say you at somebody and you wanted their attention to come check out your stream. If I go to a tweet and I see someone like, hey, going live and doing XYZ, and then it's just like at this person, 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 hashtag this, hashtag that, hashtag this, hashtag that. I'm like, okay, so you're just kind of like trying to get your hands everywhere. Like that's not, it's like, okay, so it's not specific to me. Like, I don't care. I'm not going to come check out the channel if I'm included with like 15 other people. You know what I mean? Like you're just trying to reach as many people as you can, which I get to a certain extent, but it doesn't, as me as a broadcaster, it doesn't work. Like I see that, I'm just like, okay, keep scrolling. I just move past it. So just be mindful that when you're adding and you're hashtagging and trying to reach more people, keep it simple, keep it small, keep it direct to what you're doing. If I'm doing a cooking stream, maybe I'll throw in a hashtag cooking or hashtag baker or something like that, something stupid, you know what I mean? But I'm not gonna do hashtag rolling pin, hashtag flour, hashtag cooking, hashtag eggs, hashtag small cooking streamer at Gordon Ramsay. I'm not gonna put all that in there, you know what I mean? Like I'm gonna keep it simple, keep it towards what I'm going for, and that's it. Yeah. All right, the next bit I've been seeing on Twitch ever since I was on the platform, and it's a big one, and I still see people doing it today, and it's embarrassing because you can spot it very easily, but I'm talking about view botting. View botting on Twitch, it's essentially like you're putting in fake viewers into your channel to make your channel look bigger than it actually is. And I get where people's mindsets are at with that. Like they want that boost in confidence, as well as they want to reach more people by making them seem bigger. You know what I mean? You know, it's like faking stats on Twitch does not help you. I can see where someone might look at it and be like, oh, hey, if I view bot, maybe that'll put me higher up on the food chain of the game that I'm playing. So I'm higher up and someone might click on my channel more. That's true. You might get that. But if you don't have the content and the character to back that up, you are like, what are you doing? A, don't do it in the first place, because once you're caught, I've seen people get caught before view botting. A, your Twitch account is banned. B, as soon as people start to figure out that you're view botting, you're gonna get called out a lot on it, and you're gonna have to sit there and try to be like, what are you talking about? No, it's a host. It's this. It's that. It's this. Dude, we can all see it. It doesn't matter. When you look at viewers in a viewers list, you can individually click on names, right? You can click on all those names now and you can see when those accounts were created, if they're following your channel, and you're gonna tell very quickly like, hey, this account was literally created today or yesterday, and it's a name like Fortnite 762937 underscore G4. It's like, bro, like these are obviously bot accounts. No one's talking in your channel. You have 300 people in there. Yikes. And then you can also see it in other times where you go into a channel and it says, hey, there's like, and granted, it's not always the same. It like sometimes it is a host. I've had Tim the Tatman host my channel numerous times now. And when he does host, hosting doesn't automatically put all people's viewers unless they raid. Hosting throws a view count to you. Some of those people will come in from the host, stay in your channel. Some of them will stay in the previous person's channel and not flip over. So those people won't be in the channel, even though they're watching, the view is there, but they're not in the channel. So if someone looks up your viewers list and you have 3,000 people, but you actually have maybe 200 in your list, it's going to look like you might be view botting, but at the same time, just be cognizant. Like you can usually tell if someone's view botting by looking at the actual viewers in somebody's viewers list and see what those names are like. And if there's any chat activity. But at the same time, I've seen channels with high view counts that don't have as much activity. So there's not always the for sure answer on like figuring someone out if someone is view botting, but you can generally tell within 10 minutes of watching someone's channel or less if they're view botting. I'm just gonna say don't do it. You're risking your own Twitch channel. You're risking backlash from viewers. You're risking a lot. You're basically gonna look like a chump if you get caught using it. It's you know, you're cheating. You're essentially cheating. It's like using hacks in a game. Don't do it. You're not going to get anywhere with it. Okay, another thing I want to talk about is this kind of came up the other day, and this is again like we had a long discussion about it. Like you always get the people that come into your channel and say like, bro, play whatever you want. I'm here for you. Cool, let's do it. And then you get the times where you're like, okay, cool. So everyone's telling me like, okay, cool. I'm gonna play whatever game I want. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna play this game. We're gonna play some Fortnite today. And then you just see like 10 people in chat. It's like, Fortnite? Oh, come on. They start freaking out, right? You're like, bro, you guys all told me to play what I want to play to make me feel good, right? Like if you just don't be the person that says play what you want and then get upset when they play a game that they want. You know what I mean? It's happened a couple of times, but it came up the other day and I just want to address it here. It comes up every now and then. I choose to ignore it most of the time. Just don't be the person that says like, I'm here for whatever you're going to play because I enjoy you, but then be the person who starts being like, oh, that game like it sucks. You know what I mean? Even if it's like a tease in a sense, like it's just everything that you tease about, it does affect the caster, whether it's visible or not. Generally, I get affected by it. Whether I show it or not, that's on me. And sometimes I let it out and, you know, sometimes I don't. If you want to support a caster, support a caster. Don't support them a little bit, or don't support them 80% of the time. Support them all the time. If you want to be a supporter, always be a supporter. Don't be a dick. I don't know. Some people are dicks out there. Whatever. Last thing I want to talk about, and this, I feel like this one's kind of big. And I was actually I was in a bigger broadcaster's channel the other day, and I got reminded of it. And it's like when you're an affiliate, when you're a partner, when you are someone who has your own emotes, right? This is just something that irks me. People that have their own emotes, generally, like when you go into someone else's channel, don't go using your emotes. Don't go use it. Like if I go into someone's channel, the amount of times I've ever used my own emotes in someone else's channel that is streaming, I've maybe done it like 4 times lifetime. And usually it's because maybe someone recognized me in that channel, said, oh, hey, activator. And then they put my emote in the channel. So I'm like, I respond with the same thing, but I'll only do that if I don't have the emotes of the channel. Like let's say I'm in Tim's channel, right? I have Tim's emotes. I'm a mod of Tim. Someone sees me in Tim's channel. Someone says, oh, hey, activator, acty love, right? That's my emote. It's a heart with 2 cats on it. And then I will respond with, oh, hey, man, what's up? And I usually do Tim the Tatman's emote to respond with. Either it's Tat Love or it's Tat Sa or something like that. You know what I mean? I don't walk into someone else's channel and throw up my emotes. It's like, hey, my acty hey. You know what I mean? Or fucking my hype emotes or anything like that. I always use the channel's emotes. And it's something so simple, but I know how fucking Twitch works, man. I've been on this platform for almost 5 years now. Bro, I know when people are selling out in a sense. It's not like you're selling out, but it's in a sense that like it's like a subtle, hey, what's up, dude? But also like, chat, you guys see that I'm also a streamer? You see my emote right here? You know what I mean? Like, dude, we get it. You don't need to do it. Like, sure, it's fine every now and then if you're trying to like be cool, but you know, when you're using it all the time, like maybe one time throw in your emote, that's fine too. But like, just know that like me as a broadcaster, me as a guy who's been on the channel for a while, bro, I know when people are coming in selling out. Oh, hey, I gotta get out of here, guys. All right, I'll catch you later. And they throw up like their buy emote or something like that. People are out there in a sense, always selling out and selling their channel and selling themselves. Even if they don't do it maliciously, it happens. Hey, check out all my emotes, bro. Check out this new one I just got. You know what I mean? It's like, bro, come on. Don't sell out. Anyways, not so much a streaming 101, but more of a streaming advice situation. I have a lot of this stuff and it kind of just irks me. So I thought making a video about it. I've made this video 4 times now. Each time I've made it, I've deleted it because I feel like it sounds almost a little too whiny in a sense. So like I never wanted to put this out there and people keep telling me to put it out there. So I'm just going to put it out there and hopefully someone benefits off of hearing this advice. If there's anything to take away from it, just try to be a good person. Don't try to be subtle and sell out. Just be cool, man. Just be cool. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't be an asshole. Be cognizant of the people you're around and, you know, fix your tweets. That's it though. Anyways, streaming advice 101, I guess. I don't know, not streaming tips. Streaming advice 101? I don't know. Take whatever you want from this or not. It doesn't matter, dude. I just wanted to make this video. Real quick, just want to say thank you guys for subbing to this channel. I do appreciate it. There's a lot of people that come in and comment on these videos and other videos just saying like, hey man, it's crazy that you only have this many subs and that you're putting out all this stuff. Bro, don't get me wrong. I am so appreciative of every single one of those comments, but I also hope that I can find that audience and continue to grow. And you guys have all helped me out. And I want to thank you guys for every single one of these subscribers, you know, that we're sitting at right now. And I only just started getting my channel kind of like going. Like I always did like vlogs and stuff, but I never really pushed it. I never really like tried to get good content and information out there. But yeah, hopefully these videos are helping somebody out there. I don't know, man. I'm just making them because I want to give you guys what I have. I want to give you the information that I've, you know, acquired over the years of casting. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Sub to the channel or don't worry about it if you don't want to. You're cool though. You're cool in my books just for being here. If you're hearing these words, thank you. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Sub to me here. If you guys ever want to know or ask me any questions on anything, come over to my channel. I'm live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday for 6 hours out of the day. I think from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time. I'm in Brooklyn, by the way, if you didn't know that. I think I've said that in multiple videos. It doesn't matter. But yeah, so come on by, ask me whatever you want, man. I will drop what I'm doing to respond to you. It's been really cool seeing people come in from YouTube saying like, hey man, your videos are great. Thanks for all the help. Can you help me with this? And I'm like, yes, I get to use my knowledge, or at least if I can't use my knowledge, I can figure it out, man. I love doing kind of like tech support in a sense with like gear and shit to a certain extent. I mean, like if I get stumped, then I'm just like, well, yeah, I don't know what to do, man. But like most of the time, and 90% of the time, I'll know what to do or what you can do, like a solution to a problem. But yeah, anyways, that's it. I started an Instagram, by the way, Twitch activator, you know, so you can, I don't know, I'll put it in a link below or something like that. If you guys want to see that, I put content there now. So Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Twitch. Those are my 4 big ones. That's it. This is going on way too long. I'll catch you guys next time on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Anyways, I'm out of here. Thanks for everything. Appreciate it. Catch you guys next time. Peace.